What's up, guys? We are taking Alvis to Palm Beach Island. Gotta fix this steering leak once and for all on this like 30 something foot, I think it's a 36-foot fjord. Finally got all the parts, and I got Joe Jeef and Salami waiting. He'll probably be waiting for me when I get there because I got about an hour of traffic, and my neck hurts. So yeah, we're gonna change this like little steering block. I don't know what's wrong with it, if it's cracked or something. There's O-rings in there, but it's dumping steering fluid out, and these people are coming to town in a week or two. I don't want to go to this island one more time this year. After we get this done, I'll be jumping headfirst into the regulator rewire. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. Alvis won't shut up back there, squeaking and shaking. Here we go. We are on the island. Old one out, new one going in. Thanks to George. Hold on, I'm just trying to get some trash. Oh, I can't get it. Oh, dang. Oh yeah, I found the Jeff gel. There you go, Jeff. Mr. Aldi's. That's about it, guys. We got the steering fixed on that Fjord. Now they're good for season. Everything else in the boat is beautiful. I gotta go to take care of some things tonight. Won't be working on any more boats the rest of today. Gonna give my neck a little more rest. And then tomorrow morning I'm diving head first right into the regulator rewire. Pretty pumped about that one. So you'll just have to see tomorrow. Appreciate you guys watching.